नीट एक्झामिनेशना खातीर दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो प्रशासनान चोख सुरक्षा वेवस्था केल्या. त्याच बरोबर गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या शारांतल्यान येवपी विद्यार्थ्यांक खातीर कदम येरादारी महामंडळान बस सेवा उपलब्ध करून दिल्या. परीक्षा केंद्रांचेर पिवपाचें उदक, दिव्यांग विद्यार्थ्यांक खातीर व्हीलचेअर तशेंच भलायकी सेवेची खाशेली सोय केल्या.
To ensure that the examination is conducted in a proper manner from the safety and security point of view, we are taking all the necessary arrangement. Tomorrow we would be installing all the technical support which is required in the examination center, and followed by the installation there would be a team from the district administration headed by the SDM who would be inspecting the centers to ensure that everything is taken care in the center as per the requirement of NTA. And thereafter the examination centers would be sealed to ensure that everything is safe and taken care properly. Now apart from this, we are ensuring that there are proper arrangements made in the examination center. There would be drinking water facility, there would be waiting area for the students as well as for parents in areas wherever it is possible. Considering the monsoon, we are making sure that there is a proper waiting area. Then drinking water arrangement, medical cover would be there. And then for differently able candidates, we would be ensuring that wheelchair is made available in all the examination centers, and clean and hygienic washroom, fan and other seating arrangements are already ensured in all the examination center. Apart from this, KTCL is ensuring that there is various bus service available on that day. Apart from this, electricity department and all the other line departments are also working in tandem to ensure that we are able to conduct a NEET examination in a smooth and proper manner.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.